Good morning, second graders. Today is Monday, May 4th. And I don't know how many of you know this, but May 4th is a pretty cool day because it's actually Star Wars Day. Because if you think of your head, um, May the Force be with you, like in Star Wars. But we also have May the 4th be with you. So today we're going to do a fun little activity with Star Wars. So I don't know if you guys have ever heard of a Mad Lib or a fill-in, but it's really cool. So what you do is you'll add on Seesaw. You'll be doing this on your own on Seesaw, but I'm going to do it as an example for you right here. So I have a list of words right here, and then it gives me a blank, so I can write my own words. So for the first one, it says room. So I'm going to think of a room maybe in my house or at school or wherever it might be. So the room that I think of is the bedroom. My bedroom. Perfect, right? Then number two, I'm going to think of a verb. And a verb is a what type of word? An action word. So I'm going to think of the word tiptoe. That's the first thing that came to my mind. Number three, a friend. Um, let's see, maybe I'll put Miss Hale as my friend. And then an adjective. And adjectives are a special kind of word that, yes, they describe nouns. An adjective. Let's think. How about fuzzy? Time unit. Okay, so time unit means a unit of time. Duh. So maybe like seconds, minutes, hours, days, years, months, decades. So maybe I'll put centuries. Centuries is 100 years. Six, a vehicle. How about this one? This is pretty funny. Ice cream truck. Adjective, I'm going to put another describing word. This time I'm going to put gigantic. Means extra, extra big. Vehicles. Maybe I'll put fire engines. And another friend. This time I will put, who could I put here? How about Mrs. Hager? And color. And if you know me, my favorite color is definitely pink. Another adjective. Adjective. Describing word. Smelly. I'm curious to see how that will sound when I put it in there. 12. Another adjective. Let's put a number. Maybe we should put a number about how many of something there is. So I'm going to put 14 because that's my favorite number. A ship part. I don't really know a lot about ships, so maybe I'll put the engine because it's part of a ship, I guess. Room, another room. Let's see. Maybe I'll put the bathroom. And one more. We got an adjective. An adjective is a describing word, so I will put spectacular, which means extra, extra exciting. And now what I'm going to do, now that I have all my words filled in, is, look, I put this here to trick you so you couldn't see it. Hopefully I can move it out of my way. There we go. And then, so right here, when I move it in your story, you'll be able to see where each number goes. So I'll be able to put bedroom. I'll be able to move that here. Number 2 goes kind of behind my camera, and you can't really see it. But there it goes, and then number 3. So you'll fill in each of your words into those blanks, and then when you read it all together, it'll be a really funny story. So let's see if I can fill them in for what I have showing, so you can see an example. Running through the corridor, you scramble into the bedroom. As the stormtroopers race past, you sigh and slink down to rest. However, the wall tiptoes and comes alive. You dash into the hall and bump into Mrs. Hale. Looking at each other, you take off together for the hangar. Running fuzzy, you make it there in centuries. Oh my gosh, that's a long time. And having escaped, and then you'll see the rest of the story when you get to a Seesaw to do it on your own. But this is a really good way to practice your parts of speech and talk about different types of nouns and see like a room, that's a place, or a friend is a person, or a time unit is a thing, right? So we're talking about part of our parts of speech again. So your assignment for the week is to go to Seesaw and you get to fill out this Mad Lib all by yourself. So you'll start with the first page, which is where you fill out all the words, and then you'll swipe to the second page, and that's where you'll get to see where you can put all your words in and then read your story, and it sounds really funny. So I can't wait to see your submissions, and happy writing!